शायद थोड़ा बंदों को वॉल्यूम कम रखने बोला. वॉल्यूम डाउन, वॉल्यूम. So guys, volume please. Aman, volume. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. So 2019 has been a great year for us. We've been made some amazing builds. Thank you, and we're really grateful for letting us do this. And we're going to be sharing our own rewind kind of a thing with 10 of our most favorite builds. The videos of most of these are in the description below, so you can check them out as well. So let's get started. So at number 10 is this build 3600X plus 2060 Super. The reason we like this a lot is because of the video that accompanied it. Kudos to our YouTube team. The editing is on point. The music is synced to perfection. You can check out the video. I highly recommend that you do. Next up is number 9. The reason we like this build in particular is the white theming that it had. It's a regular 3700X plus a 2070 Super and looks so amazing with the white theme going on. Getting into number 8, we have a build with 3900X and the X570 Asus Crosshair built in the Mammoth C700M from Cooler Master. The highlight of this build for me has to be the vertical mount, which can be rotated to show off your amazing graphic card, which in this case is RTX 2080 Ti from Asus. So next up on number 7, a build close to our hearts, and the person who bought it is the PUBG build that we did. We specifically imported this case because the customer insisted on having this and playing with his clan with the PUBG themed build. So you can check out the video in the description as well. The specs are really amazing. For the time it was 2700X plus 2080 Ti, right? Next up, number 6. Now this build is really amazing because of the way it looks. It's built in the H500M, has the motherboard ROG Maximus, which is pretty kick-ass in terms of the RGB that it offers, and when synced looks really amazing. You can check out the video in the description. It had a 1080 Ti and 32GB RAM. On number 5, this build with the special edition 8086K processor and two 2080 Ti's from MSI. This build is special because it shipped all the way to Andaman Nicobar Islands. There's a photo that we're sharing of the setup that the customer eventually did. So yeah, it's pretty special for us because it's the farthest we ever shipped without any issue, and it's amazing. Moving on to number 4, this build was a massive one. It was built in the 1000D with 2080 Ti Amp Extreme in SLI plus 9980 XE with 128GB of RAM. So it's as overkill as it gets. In particular, this was used for VFX. So yeah, it deserves all the power that it needs. On number 3 is RTX Titan in SLI. It doesn't get better than that. 9900X plus 128GB of RAM, C700M case plus 128GB of RAM. Shipping all the way to Gujarat, possibly one of the most powerful builds that we made. This build was specifically made for machine learning, and yeah, it can handle anything you throw at it. Next up, it's not one build but a series of builds, 17 in total. We did some in the Fantex Mini ITX case, the long one, and the Razer Lian Li. This is special to us because this shipped to Microsoft, which in itself is a big achievement for us. I mean, a company like Microsoft putting their trust in us is a big deal for us, and hence they're special. Also, they have pretty killer videos. You can check them out in the description below. Okay. Before we get into number 1, we just wanted to show you some of the honorable mentions for this year. The build we did for DaVinci Resolve, a really killer build. The video is there, the photo on your screen, and a lot of these builds are also on Instagram. So do check them out. Show us your support. So our number 1 by far has to be the build we shipped to ISRO. It's really close to us. We never thought that we'll end up shipping a build to such an organization as ISRO when we started our company. So we're really thankful for that opportunity, and we want to thank you as well for watching our videos, watching us improve over the year. And we promise you we're going to be bringing better and better things, possibly something even much better than what we just showed. So do stay tuned, subscribe, share, like. I'll leave you with a blooper reel. I know our editor is going to be an ass and include a blooper reel. What I also tell him is include a blooper reel for the entire year if possible. So do watch it, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers. तो जेंटलमैन, हम ये वीडियो तीसरी बार रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. क्या हुआ? बच्चियाँ भी देखते हैं लोग. Gentle ladies. On my right is a motherboard. And we will talk about the motherboard. हाँ. बाकी तो taking a look at build which is built
for machine learning in Cosmos C700P from Cooler Master. It is
हाय बोलना है क्या?
हेलो एंड वेलकम.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू MEP Insight.
सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट और हम शुरू करते हैं.
So we have another product from. Hey guys, welcome.
ओके टेक चिल्लर देना चाहिए. चिल्लर चाहिए भाई फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएशन.